Hey there beautiful people, it's me again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to install these crochet curly goddess locks. So without any further ado, let's get it. Alright, so as you can see, I already started just so that way this video will not be very long. So my hair is already braided and halfway crocheted. So I'm going to go ahead and finish it with you all. So I used the Beauty Elements double goddess locks and I just love these. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. So let's get it. So if you guys have been watching some of my crochet tutorials for a while, you guys know that I use a bobby pin to install my crochets. So I'm going to use a bobby pin in this as well. So with these braids, this hole is a little bit small. So what I like to do is stretch it out a little bit and then put the bobby pin inside, just so that way it makes it easier to put it in and it doesn't like tangle up at the top. So what I like to do, first I like to braid my hair tight just to make sure that the foundation is set in stone. When it comes to putting in the crochets, I like to stretch it out a little bit just so that way it's easier to install the bobby pin in. So I'll take the tip of my fingers and kind of just stretch it out just a little bit, but not too much because you don't want to like loosen the braid and not, and it not last long. So I stretch it out a little bit and I install the crochet inside, and then I tied in a knot, and that's it. Alright, so I'm going to keep on doing that until the braid is finished. So what I like to do first is I just like to put the crochets in just to kind of line them up. Then I'll go back and fill in any spots that look spaced out too much or just looks really odd. So yeah. So if you are interested in this hair, it comes with a total of 20, but it's split into 10. So in each pack, there's a total of 20 pretty much. So I did get 5 packs, but it wasn't enough. So I suggest 6 packs in this case, just to make sure you have enough to fill in any spaces and to make sure that you have a full head of crochet braids. Alright, so it is done, and oh girl, I love this. So as you can see, it comes down past my back, so it's pretty long, but it's not too long. You'll do. But like I said, I like to go through and see if anything needs to be filled in. I'll go back and put some close to my edges and in between spaces that don't look right. So like I said, I did run out of hair, so your girl had to go run out and get another pack. So now it is done. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this is like the perfect beach / vacation hair, and I am just living for it. Girl. So it only took me an hour and a half to install all of these, so they don't take long. Even though they are individuals, it doesn't take that long to install them, thank goodness. But I am loving this, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down below if you're interested in doing this as well, and if you did, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.